Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from 4 different companies. The first one is Accenture, the second one is Zomato. They are actually looking for interns and all the freshers and finalists are eligible here. Then we'll be seeing a recruitment update from Morgan Stanley. Again, they are hiring bulk amount of people. All the finalists and pre-finalists are eligible here. Then last recruitment update is from TCS. Okay, so if you are interested in any of this company update, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first recruitment update is from Accenture. So they are hiring for a new associate. New associate means all the freshers are eligible for HR operations. Okay. Now let's have a look on the qualification. See, any graduation is eligible. Also, the final years can apply here. So if you are having any graduation that can be from BTech or BCom or BSc or BCA or Bachelor of Science or Arts, whatever background of graduation you are having, you are eligible because they have clearly mentioned any graduation with 0 to 1 year of experience. Location is Bengaluru. Currently, you can apply for work from home. Later on, you'll have to relocate to the Bengaluru location. Okay. So other than that, they have asked for some learning skill, collaboration skill, Microsoft Excel knowledge, written and verbal communication skills, basic things only they are asking. Okay. Roles and responsibilities also they have given here. So your primary interaction will be with the team and the supervisor. You will be working with the HR related team. Okay. So that is the nature of this job, or that is the job role here. So it is open. Please do apply for it by clicking up this apply icon or apply now icon. First, you have to create an account with Accenture career portal, and then you have to fill an online application form. That is the process. Okay. Next we are going to see an internship update from Zomato. So Zomato is hiring for interns and they are looking for any graduates is eligible, no specific qualification or anything. Only thing is that you have just passed out of college or the outgoing batch of 2021, means all the freshly passed out candidates and the final years of 2021 are eligible here. So only thing they are asking is you should be having good communication skill, then good thinking skill, analytical skills, problem solving skills. That is the requirement here. Here, they have asked for prerequisites is laptop and stable Wi-Fi connection. So you will be given a work from home job. You don't have to travel or anything. You can work from your home itself. And this internship will be from 16th of December to 31st of March 2022. Okay. And the stipend also they have given is 15,000 per month. So all the things they have given, all the details they have given here in the notification itself. So if you are looking for some internships, if you are looking for some opportunities to start your career as an intern or as a fresher, this is a good opportunity for you. Zomato is hiring for interns. Okay. So you will be actually working with the sales team. That is going to be the job role. So you'll be working from your home itself. You need to have a laptop and Wi-Fi connection at home. Okay. So if you are interested, below this notification itself, you can see the application form. Just fill it up. And also they have asked for the languages which you speak, all the languages of India which they have actually listed out here. So whichever state language is yours, your mother tongue is, you can fill it up and you can fill the online application form and you can apply for this. Okay. So that is the recruitment update from Zomato. The third one we are going to see is from Morgan Stanley. Again, they are conducting a bulk recruitment for Mumbai and Bengaluru location. Okay. So they have actually given this as an internship program, but after the internship, you will be absorbed in the company. Okay. Now let's have a look on the qualification and skills required. You are a bachelor or master student of the final years of your studies. You should be a final year student. Have you ever felt trapped in your job? So if you're a person who is interested in having a job search, or if you're a fresher who is looking for your dream job or your dream package, we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here you can get access to 200 plus leading companies, and a lot of startup companies are actually hiring through this platform. The big companies like Urban Company, Upgrad, Meesho, Cred, Razorpay, these companies, and are also a lot of startup companies are actually hiring through this platform. So you don't need to pay any money here. You just have to do a simple procedure here to get your dream job in your dream company. So what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called get hired. And the next thing you have to do is you have to book a test slot, and then you have to give a test. If you get a good score in the test, minimum 70%, if you get in your test, you will be hired by the companies. So you don't have to bother about going to the company site and applying multiple times. You just have to give the test and get a good score. That is the only step here, and you will be approached by the companies and you will get your dream package also. So next I'm going to share with you a profile, which is the profile of Tanishq Singh. He actually got placed in a big company and he got 40 lakhs per annum as CTC also. You can also see the domain in which he got placed and also his score. So if you're also interested in getting a good package like him, please do check out the link which I'll be putting in description. Please make use of this free of cost platform. If you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Be a final year student. That can be freshers, means bachelor's or master's. Computer science, computer engineering, electrical, IT or related technical majors are preferred. So all the EC candidate, EEE, EI, electrical, all those related circuital branches plus IT, computer science, information science, then computer engineering, that related branches can also apply here. You have experience with one of the programming language means you have studied at least any of this language. All the engineering related backgrounds study, right? Also, if you are having BSc Computer Science or MSc Computer Science or BSc Electronics, MSc Electronics, again you are eligible to apply here. Okay, so they have not specifically asked for engineering degrees, any graduation or masters. Okay, also you need to have knowledge in operating systems, Windows, Linux, problem solving skill, that is the requirement. Okay, now in order to apply, just click on this apply now icon. The deadline of application is 31st of December. Okay, the last recruitment update we are going to see is from TCS. So TCS is hiring for BCA, BSc Maths, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, or BVOC candidates of 2020, 21 and 22 batch. Okay, so all these graduation backgrounds are eligible. This is a bulk hiring. So in order to apply, what you have to do is just click on this here icon. This is actually the step-by-step application process. Just log on to TCS Next Step portal by clicking here. Then you have to register as a new user and you have to select IT category and then apply for the drive. And also after application or after applying, you can track your application also. Okay. So this is the step-by-step application process. If you are having some troubles in applying, or if you are having some doubts, you can directly call to this toll-free number or you can mail to the support team. Okay. So they have given that here the eligibility criteria is you need to be a graduate of 2020, 21 or 22 batch pass out, and these are the educational backgrounds which they are calling for. Okay. Now also they have given the test eligibility means what is a percentage criteria and all. Full-term courses are only preferred. Also you need to have minimum 50%. Okay, 50% minimum is the requirement. Earlier they used to ask for 65% or 60%. Here only 50% they're asking. And gap in education they have given, it should not exceed maximum of 2 years. Okay. Backlog arrears, they have given that allowed one active backlog during the application process. So for the case of 2022 candidates, okay, only 2022 candidates, they can have one backlog, but the other candidates should not have any pending backlogs. Okay. Now the test pattern also they have given here. Let's have a look on the test pattern. Test pattern consists of totally 3 sessions. Verbal ability is there, reasoning ability and numerical ability. Time of exam also given, total 120 minutes is the time duration. If you are again having some doubts, there is a session called frequently asked questions. Just click on it. You will get to see all the questions. Generally, the people will be facing some doubts, right? So all those questions are being answered here. Okay. So all the doubts you can clarify while reading the notification itself. Again, in case if you are having some doubts, just contact the support team. Okay. So that's all for today's video. In this video, we have seen 4 company updates. 4 companies are big companies only: Morgan Stanley, Accenture, Zomato, and TCS. Okay. So if you are from any of this backgrounds which we have discussed through this video, just click on the notification links which I'll be putting in description. In the links itself, you can see the apply icon. Just click on the apply icon and apply for it. Prepare for the test and give the test and get your job. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.